Back over here with Andy's 3.0. Going to see how she does cold start. First couple clips in this video were from Monday when I came over here and cold started it after adjusting and tuning it last Thursday. And then today is Thursday. Want to check it again on the cold start because he said Kent was over here over the weekend and moved it a few times. So I wanted to just let it sit a few days, see how it is, see how it behaves. So first two clips will be from Monday. Last couple, or last one, I don't know how we're gonna make it, be from today. All right, Andy 73 3.0. We're gonna try to cold start. Get the damn key to cooperate. Way better than it used to be. Gave it one pump. It fired right off. It's idling a little low, but it needs to warm up, as all these cars do. Doesn't fall completely on its face. We'll let her warm up and get up to temp, and we'll see what we got. All right, here we are in the car. Cold start testing. One pump. Right to life. Oh, that buzzing is terrible. Fired right up. Awesome. Now remember, a good key point on any of these classic cars, and really I'd say anything in general, you know, other than your ultra new modern cars where it's an appliance, it's not a vehicle. But I'm saying anything carbureted. Sorry, I'm rambling. Good point of getting it up to temperature before you drive it is just let it warm up like this, let it idle. But what we always do is we always put the heat on low. I'm not gonna do it in here, you know, but just put the heat on low. As soon as you feel some warmth out of the vents, you should be good to go.